care, cause what I said was true. And everyone's entitled to their point of view. Tell it like it is and you'll be okay. Don't worry about what other people think or say. Just tell it like it is and you might find something you said has changed their mind. You know your politicians really ought to give it a try. Cause people out here are getting tired of lies. You're saying this and you're doing that. We can handle the truth, just give us the facts. Tell it like it is now, every time. Don't worry about the criticism you might find. The other side is gonna blame you anyway. So tell it like it is now, every day. Are deep and wide, and they won't go away if we run and hide. So give us your answers, tell us what you do, and we sure appreciate it if the answers are true. Tell it like it is now, don't be shy. Let the spinners spin, let the media cry. Just tell it like it is and you will find the people will rally around you every time. You remember these words, I help to guide you through. You work for us, not us for you. Make your decision with the country in mind. It's the kind of politician that we're dying to find. Tell it like it is now, pretty please. The people are on their bending knees. All we're really asking for is honesty. So tell it like it is now, that's the key.